Hi, I'm Gerald Unruh, Product Manager for Convey-All. We're here today to talk about our oilseed conveyor, developed for handling all kinds of oilseeds, hemp, canola, that kind of thing. Just keeps the product on the belt and you don't have the same kind of issues you do running through a regular conveyor. Number of the improvements we've made is right here in the hopper. We've added a couple of stainless steel bars on top of the flashing. They're adjustable, basically just keeps pressure on the flashing, making sure the flashing stays tight to the belt so you don't get any leakage into or underneath the belt. We've also skived the belt, taken off the pattern on the 1.5 inches on each side just to give a better seal between the flashing and the belt itself. And then we've got some extra flashing here in the throat, kind of goes down into that S transition area, keeps product in the middle of the belt, preventing it from leaking out the rollers so it doesn't get underneath the belt and you don't have crushing. As well, in the hopper towards the back end, there's a scraper that if anything does happen to get underneath, under the belt, gets crushed by the roller, scraper's there to take the product off the belt before it gets through to the rollers. We've also added another 2 scrapers, one here right by the drive box and another one up top right before the discharge end. Basically, these scrapers are just here in case anything is on the back side of the belt before it goes through any area where there's rollers. Any residual product on the back side of the belt is taken off. Just to keep the rollers as clean as possible and the back of the belt as clean as possible, just to keep the conveyor running at its optimum performance. So as far as performance goes, the conveyor still performs and runs same as our non-oilseed version does. Capacity is still roughly the same. You don't lose any capacity that way, just made improvements to keeping the unit clean, the product off the back of the belt to keep it running all day during your harvest or planting time. Thanks for watching our video on the 1650 TL. If you need any more information or looking for your local dealer, check us out